All right, so I just wanted to make this little quick unboxing video of some new parts that the BMW is getting. They are some carbon fiber mirror caps and also the sequential turning signals. I got them from Bimmer plug, as you can see. I'm trying to do this with one hand because, well, obviously I'm recording, right? So here, let me go. Alright, there's a Bimmer plug card. And there it is. Kevin Lee, founder. Kevin and Bimmer plug. Your aftermarket solution, BMW carbon fiber mods and aerodynamic parts, which I might be getting some more from them. So you can see it's a carbon fiber look on the car. So, ooh, all right, some Skittles. Okay, that's a surprise. It means, you know, it kind of tells you that the company, you know, it's, you know, sometimes it's like small things, like it's a small detail. So they're probably like not a big company, but you know, the fact that they'll do this, it's pretty sweet, honestly. So they might have me buying more parts from them, to be honest. Not for the candy, but you know, because of that little fact. Okay, so I don't want to pull that much out because it's gonna have my address and all that stuff. So a little sticker for the car, which we might put it on. All right, so this in this box is the sequential lights. I will open that in a bit. So I wanted to, you know, get it first, try to see them first, and get my. Ooh, that looks nice. Ooh. That looks so good. They're not that heavy. You can see the weave, carbon fiber weave in there. Oh, they look so good. I can't wait to put them on the car. It's got the little fin, as you can see. Let's open up the other one. Well, let's put it on the side. I don't want to like damage the carbon fiber or the clear coat on it. Like I said, I'm sorry, I'm doing this with one hand because I'm trying to record too, so. Oh man, that looks so good. Oof. They had like a dry carbon fiber too, which was like, I believe like almost $500. So this was like 300, almost 300, including the sequential turning signals. But yeah. Look at that. So it's not, I'm not sure if the other part is going to be like all this. You can see the carbon fiber weave, the dry carbon weave on there. But this one's, it's not, it's just like mostly the front fascia of it. So you can see all of this. But still, see, as you can see right there, maybe this is where they pair it up with some plastics so it to connect on the car. Because I'm pretty sure this parts would be hard to do. Carbon fiber. So I'm not a carbon expert, so who knows. But yeah, let me open up the sequential turning signals so you can see. But oh man, I'm in love with this. I can't wait to put this on the car. Here are the sequential turning signals. As you can see, the other one's in the wrapper. I just had to go ahead and open this one so you guys can take a look. I'm not gonna take off the protective film because I'm not putting it on the car just yet, so I'm just gonna wait. So there it is. Ooh, I can't wait to put this on the car. So that's it for today. That's it for this cool little quick video, guys. I just wanted you guys to see what's coming to the BMW, and here's some tools for their installation. So yeah, that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little quick one, and I can't wait to install this on the car and see how it looks. So peace out.